What's up YouTube, it's your girl Special Nicole and I am back with another video. Today, hold on, I ain't got my ring on. Alright, so last video I talked about how I don't know how many locks I have, so I thought, boom, let me count my locks for them. And in the process I said, wait, I've never shown them my actual grid. I talked about it, showed you like pictures of me starting the process, but we never got down to the nitty gritty. So today I am going to show you what my grid looks like, and then I'm going to count my locks and we're going to figure out how many locks I have together. So let's get into this grid work. So as you can see, my grid, my friend started my parts for me as far as these sections, and I did all of the rows. So it's not perfect, I do not have the perfect grid, but the main parts that I do have, I have one going all the way down the middle, and then I have side parts that also connect or should connect and go down each side, and same over here. So the part down the middle, we have one going from ear to ear. So it should be right here, ear to ear, and then one going just diagonal to the ear here. So those are my three main parts. So down the middle, ear to ear, and then here in the back, breaking up the middle section. And then I guess you can count here in front of the ear as another major part. And so I have 4 sections in each quadrant. So you have 4 here, you have 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. And that's pretty much just how my grid is. It's simple. Like I said, it's not perfect. My parts are not by any means not straight. If you're new here, I started my locks and maintained them myself. So I am a full-blown DIYer, and it's been a year and probably 2 weeks now since I've had my Microlocs. So let's count them. So I counted section by section and I put all the numbers here on my phone. So now I'm gonna put them in the calculator to see the total. So y'all commented on the last video what y'all thought. Some people said 320, some said 318. I am going to go with, I'm gonna say 315. I think somebody commented that as well. So let's see what the final number is. Alright, y'all, I am officially confusion because I done got two different numbers. I can't count. I don't know. I probably miscounted because the total number of locks that I have are 307. So that means in a year I have lost almost 20 locks. Not really. 17 locks. I didn't combine that many. I actually separated some after I started the lock journey. So I didn't count right, y'all. We're gonna try this again another day. I don't have time to recount today. But we're gonna have to, because that's not right at all. Alright, YouTube, it has been days since I attempted to count my locks. I don't know what your girl was going through. I don't know what she was concentrating on while she was trying to count. But baby, it won't right. So I finally have my lock count number. I hope it's right. If not, I'm not counting them again. Don't ask me in the comments on no more videos. It's here. This is it. This is the drop. I had my friend help me count. We split my head in half. She counted some, I counted some, and now I have a total, drum roll please, I have 322 locks. I know. We started at 324, did changes, and then ended up at 322. I don't know. I knew it wasn't 307 because that meant I lost almost 20 locks, and I did not. And did not combine that many. So I knew that was wrong. So 322 sounds better because, like I said, I started with 324. After I started them, I separated quite a few in the middle, and I think some in the front that I thought were too big, so that doubled some numbers up. Well, not doubled, but added locks. And then later on in my journey, I combined a few. Didn't combine that many. I think I combined maybe 6. So that went from 6 to being 3. Y'all know I don't do math. But yeah, so still wasn't a lot of change happening. So I think for me, separating some in the beginning to combining some later on kind of gave it that balance to where I've only lost 2 locks. So the total number is 322. So if you're trying to make your locks kind of resemble mine, or I wouldn't say lock goals because everybody's hair is different, but if you're trying to achieve a similar look to what I have, my number is 322. So I showed y'all my grid earlier. Now my hair is down, and so that is all this video is going to be about today. And if you have any questions, any more questions you want me to answer, any types of videos you want me to film, drop those down in the comment section down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, because I mean, I know you've watched multiple videos. You might as well, sis. Come on, join the squad. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.